Hey cousins, so today I'm back with another hair video. I promise y'all I'm gonna do better. I have so much content in me, I'm just having a hard time getting it out. Excuse that little sidebar, but with all that being said, we're gonna tap into today's video. Today's video is being brought to you guys by Nadula Hair. I'll have all their information linked down below in my description box. They're not new to my channel whatsoever, and neither is the concept of this unit. So this unit that I have on right now is a V-part wig. Yes. Are we over them already? I'll give you guys my opinion at the end of this video. But yes, I'm gonna go ahead and shut up, show you guys a few clips of how you install this wig, and then I'm gonna come back and give you guys the rundown, and we're gonna wrap today's video up like that. So if you guys are interested, make sure you stay tuned and thumbs up this video. And if you ain't a part of the fam, you know, give your girl a subscribe or whatever. Let's go.
Then dip me underway. You can feel my mind for flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby, baby.
Is a little low, it's because it's late night and I haven't physically filmed and talked in a video in a couple weeks. So y'all, I'm constantly trying to get back into things, but this video is not about that. So I'm gonna shut up and save that rant for another video. Maybe I'll do like a get ready with me video and we can just have some real live girl chat. If you guys would like a video like that, go ahead and let me know down below. So the specs on this wig that I'm rocking, this is Nadula Hair 24-inch body wave V-part wig. Now, this wig was so much easier to style than the last V-part wig that I had on my channel. I'll link that video on the cards just in case you guys are interested in seeing how I styled like a curly V-part wig, and that wig did give me the struggles. But this one was so much more easier. I actually really like this wig. So if you are new to wigs, or if you are the type of person who just want a really natural look, because this wig is, I feel like she giving natural. Or if you are someone who loves to wear sew-ins, but you want something that's easy to pop on in between installs, I recommend this type of wig to you. I did go ahead and throw some curls in this unit off camera. Y'all didn't want to see that. And I added like a few layers to the front. You probably could tell, you see, just a little bit to frame my face and help the curls like fall the way that I like curls to fall when I have a middle part. So it definitely held a curl extremely well, because I curled my hair like probably 8 hours ago, y'all. And she is still intact. Okay, I think this is day, let me think, this is day 2. The first day I installed this wig, I did rock it in the natural state, which you guys seen in the install clip. And I really like that. But I was like, I got to give the girls and the boys a little bit more than just the natural look. And I also want to see how this hair holds a curl. Granted, I haven't washed this wig, which I really never do that. But since I wanted to rock it in the natural state, I didn't wash it. Because you guys know with most body wave textures, when you wash those units, the texture change and the waves become more loose. So I just wanted that, you know, out the pack look real quick. But this hair didn't have a smell, which is why I was able to rock it straight out of the package. And I like how the density is on this wig. It's so lightweight, but this is all the hair to the front. You are still getting fullness. So I really like that about this wig. And I did initially want like something super natural, like a 14 or 16 inch, but I ended up with 24 inches. But I still am in love with the quality of this unit. Am I in love with the V-part wigs? Not so much. I'm not even going to hold you, because I don't always like to fool with my natural hair, because if that's the case, your girl just gonna wear her natural hair. You feel me? Do any of y'all feel me? I love the concept of this wig though, and I like how they constructed this unit. Would I wear it outside without any leave out? No, that's not my vibe. I feel like with these V-part wigs, my personal opinion, I think that you need to leave some hair out, but I do like that you can leave a minimal amount of hair and it'll still look natural. You know, let me give the, you know, it blended in fairly well. I had to add heat to it. That's another reason why the V parts aren't ideal for me to wear like on a daily basis, because I like low manipulation on my natural hair. However, I review these wigs to help you guys out. So if there's something that is being offered for me to showcase on my channel and it's something that aligns with my style, then I will bring it to you guys in case one of you guys will like or love it. Now, I do love it. I just wouldn't reach for these kind of wigs on a daily basis. But I do think that if you are a wig lover, the V-part wigs are something I think that you should have in your arsenal. I used to make V-part and U-part wigs back in the day, and I would sew them down. Instead of getting a sew-in, I started just doing my own hair. That's kind of how I got into wigs with these type of units. So I love seeing that they made a comeback or whatever. But enough of that ranting. I'm gonna leave out by saying that I didn't get any shedding with this unit. Like if I got a strand or two, it was when I was brushing it. But walking around, like everything's intact. Nadula Hair, in my personal experience, always have quality hair at an affordable price. So I always love working with them because I haven't been disappointed not once. And I just love the styles and how innovative this company is, because they definitely keep up with the trends. Another thing I wanted to mention about these kind of V-part wigs is if you take care of these units, I know these are the type of wigs that you will have for years, because unless you're the type of person who's going to sleep in them like constantly, then you might need, you know, a little bit more TLC with the wigs. But if you're like me and you just pop it on in the morning and style it up and take it off at night, these wigs will last you for some years. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. I'm gonna go ahead and get up out of here because I feel like I was ranting a little bit, but y'all feel me. If you rock with me, then you feel me. And if you have made it this far and you aren't a part of the family, then we would love to have you. You can do that by subscribing to my channel down below, and please leave me a like. Also, if you know anyone who would want to rock this unit, feel free to share it with your homegirls, your homeboys, your family, your cousin, your mama, your auntie too. Everyone's welcome over here, and I will see you guys in my next video. This week we're gonna have some wig reviews coming, okay? But yeah, I'm getting my life together, and I've been working on some other video concepts outside of the hair. So I promise y'all, we gonna navigate through this thing, okay? So stick with me if you rock with me. And until next time, I'll see you guys in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye. I would be extra, but I'm tired. So I'm gonna just say bye.